Hi everyone! Quick tip today on how to check if a real estate transactions with a developer is safe. First, check if the developer is registered with SEC and issued. This means that the company is legally operating. Second, ask for the license to sell. This is very important because if a project has no license to sell, the developer is not allowed to sell the property yet. Third, make sure that the agent or broker is licensed by PRC so you know you're dealing with a legit real estate professional. And lastly, always ask for official receipts for every payment. Remember, check the developer, check the license to sell, and deal with licensed professionals. And good news, here in Estonia, Calamba, safe ang pag-avail mo ng property. May ready for occupancy townhouse na kami dito for only 15K amortization through bank financing. 4,600 lang din ang monthly down payment and you can reserve this unit for only 10,000 pesos. I'm Broker San Manarin. Let me help you find your dream home and investment. Thank you!